Hi, I'm Jenny Brandon, and I want to invite you to join me for my international online summer composition workshops on writing for the solo instrument. This summer, I'll be focusing on writing for the solo flute and solo harp, and I'm partnering with Polyphony Artist Management to present these workshops. I'll be joined by Daniel Baldwin, owner of Polyphony Artist Management and composer, as well as instrumentalists Nicaulis, Alliey on flute, and Joe Redman on harp. And in these workshops, we'll dig into the nuts and bolts of writing for the flute and harp, talking about the registers, the ranges, and all the great things that these instruments can do. During this workshop, you'll get to participate in group sessions, as well as get private composition lessons taught by myself and Daniel, and you'll get to work directly with the instrumentalists as you're writing your new work. And then after the workshops are over, the instrumentalists will record and perform your works in an online world premiere concert. So I hope you'll join me this summer as we are going to be doing these wonderful workshops on writing for these solo instruments. The flute workshop begins on June 4th and runs through June 18th, and the harp workshop goes from June 25th through July 16th. You can find out more information at polyphonyartistmanagement.com, and I look forward to seeing you this summer.